Welcome to Lesson 25. Introduction to Regulatory Oversight Agencies. Introduction to Regulatory Oversight Agencies. Regulatory oversight agencies, commonly part of the executive branch of governments, play a crucial role in enforcing privacy regulations, both in the United States and other countries. These agencies may also include non-governmental bodies, such as industry self-regulatory systems. Types of jurisdiction. Jurisdiction can be categorized into territorial jurisdiction, subject matter jurisdiction, and personal jurisdiction. Territorial jurisdiction pertains to a regulator's authority over operations within a specific geographic area. Subject matter jurisdiction refers to the authority of an agency to regulate a particular type of activity, while personal jurisdiction concerns the authority of an agency over individuals or entities. Key regulatory agencies. 1. U.S. Federal Trade Commission. The FTC broadly regulates private sector businesses in the United States, including privacy rules under the Federal Trade Commission Act. It enforces regulations against unfair and deceptive acts and practices related to privacy, investigating violations and seeking civil penalties. 2. U.S. Federal Communications Commission. Responsible for regulating the telecom industry, the FCC enforces privacy-focused provisions, such as those in the Telecommunications Act of 1996. It shares enforcement responsibility with the FTC for some regulations, utilizing a framework for guarding against unfair and deceptive practices. 3. EU Data Protection Authorities, DPAs. Delegated authority for GDPR enforcement to EU member states, each of which appoints its own DPA. DPAs possess investigative authority, can order compliance, suspend data processing activities, and levy administrative fines for GDPR violations. 4. Office of the Privacy Commissioner of Canada, OPC. Oversees privacy laws in Canada, including the Privacy Act for the federal government, and the Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act, PIPEDA, for the private sector. It investigates suspected violations and seeks remedies through Canada's federal court system if voluntary compliance fails, although it lacks direct power to impose fines or penalties.